Hi guys, welcome to Sherpa. This week we're going to be discussing the Ben Franklin effect and why it's worth asking for a favour. The Ben Franklin effect is a counterintuitive paradox whereby a person who has already performed a favour for someone is more likely to do a second favour than if they themselves had received a favour. That's confusing, right? It originated when a powerful political rival of Franklin was negatively disposed to him and trespassing on his land. Instead of trying to seek approval, Franklin asked him for a favour. He asked for a rare book for all of his club members to read, returning it with a thank you a few days later. This individual then became positively disposed to Franklin and actually spoke fondly of him. The politician had turned a fierce rival into a friend. The psychology behind this is an example of cognitive dissonance. This is when there's an inconsistency between attitudes and behaviours. The behaviours and actions can be explained because people naturally want to do generative and helpful actions regardless of their attitudes to particular people. They feel loved and praised for the actions they took as a means of positive reinforcement. This behaviour is then internalised and our subject recognises that they are closer emotionally after the favour. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Please do us a favour and like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Sherpa channel for more interesting educational content.